The beauty of nature is the simplicity, complicate, yet splendorous way of seeing character, environment, and the universe. It's an immense and endless admiration. The world is your target. To a large extent it depends upon not only your equipment, but also your interests. Macro photography is the art of taking close-up pictures that reveal details which can't be seen with the naked eye. For example, while we can see the fly on the wall, our eyes aren't equipped to make out the fine details of the hairs on its face. This is where macro photography comes in. It gives us a glimpse into the world of the very small, which goes largely unnoticed by us as we hurriedly shuffle through our day. Macro photography brings out the beauty of details. It can transform everyday subjects into fascinating works of art, overlooked by the naked eye. Flowers and wildlife. These are always the go-to models for macro shoots. Wildlife is a bit harder to capture still though. Taking a close-up of a flower can really bring out its vibrant color and graceful shape. Insects are one of the top subjects for macro photographers. Yet even with countless close-up images of them, the subject hasn't gotten old. That might be because there's so much variety. There are over 1 million types of insects, spiders, and snails out there, so you can shoot 1,000 different insects and still have thousands more to photograph. Each one will have unique details that are revealed in a macro shot. Fortunately, you don't have to go far to find new species. Your neighborhood alone may have dozens of insect species you haven't yet photographed. The beauty of macro photography is that it captures details not visible with the naked eye. It transports us into entire worlds that we are not normally privy to, and has become an incredibly popular photography technique for both research and entertainment purposes. Being able to study snowflakes, the eyes of insects, and how light bounces off a soap bubble can reveal hidden gems and insights that can be used for scientific and technological purposes. Macro photographs of small living things reveals interesting features and characteristics can't be seen with the naked eye. They reveal something you might not have seen before. For the photographer, this brings about great satisfaction to be able to see the beauty of the microscopic nature. For scientists and biologists, they can use the photo to study the micro features and characteristics of living organisms. Sometimes it is very helpful for identification purposes. With proper lighting and planning, a good macro photographer is able to take very beautiful macro photographs. Like any other genre of photography, it's an art, a beautiful art. People likes to see beautiful pictures because it gives satisfaction.